production.
Hello babies, welcome back to my channel. Yay, happy new year. Okay, so look, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this look, but I'm gonna label this video part 1 because I seen another icy look like this and I definitely want to recreate it. But anyways, I start by concealing my eyebrows. Y'all seen it all before, so I guess we could kind of skip this part. Then I go in with my transitioning shade, just a light brown to cover up the concealer that I put down on my eyes, and a close brown to my skin tone, and I keep it above my eyelid because I'm going light, so I keep that above my eyelid. Then I go with the darker brown directly in my eyelid and I pack it in the crease. Okay, make sure you keep it in that section and don't let it go any higher up. Anytime you're doing a light eyeshadow look, like a bright color, use a bright concealer on your eyelids. So of course I'm doing a white look, so I'm using a white concealer and I'm drying it out right now, and I want to do like a super bright under eye, so that's why you see white in my under eye. But I'm gonna blend it out, it's gonna be cute. So I kind of messed up with my foundation color. I still don't be knowing what color I am. So yeah, that's why the color looks a tiny bit off from my face and my neck. But I was just going to work, so I ain't care too much. That's why I ain't fix it. Anyways, I go in with 3 different concealers. The white one, the one I'm using right now. And then I'm going to go in with another one, a darker color for the outer eye, I guess it's called. Anyways, if you don't want to put it directly in the corner where you put the white concealer, you don't have to. I definitely should have left a little bit of white concealer showing, but that's okay because the look still came out cute. But next time in part 2, I'll probably leave a little bit of white showing. So then I go in with some blush. I was gonna mix the I'm Cold Girl makeup with this look, but I was like, let me not do too much. So I didn't put too much blush on, but y'all see it. So I went in with the brown liner, but it wasn't really showing like that. To be honest, y'all, that's probably a lip pencil. I don't know if it's for lips or eyes, but it wasn't working. I dipped that pencil into the gel liner and I used it like that because I ain't had no brush to really dig into the black gel liner. I couldn't find it. And the same colors you use at the top, put it at the bottom too. Make sure you blend it out really well. And I really wanted my eyelids to be super white. Jesus, I wanted them to be super white, so I packed in my eyeshadow some more. Then I add a little lash, and yeah, that's how the look came out. So I did do a half of a cut crease, but for my next look for part 2, I'm gonna do a full cut crease, so stay tuned because that shit gonna eat down.